Space, it is a really mysterious place. And even it becomes more mysterious when our scientists try to explain what it is. For me, this three-dimension, four-dimension concepts have been always confusing. I feel like even the scientists have not completely understood what it is, and whatever definition or mathematical formulas that they give us is, even more confusing to understand. When it comes to space-time, we have always heard that space-time is four-dimensional. What we see around us is a three-dimensional, area. So here we can jump, we can run, we can walk, we can dig beneath, and this all happens in this 3D environment. But what happens in space is very different. There you can jump, do all the things that you do here. And even if you sit idle doing nothing, there is this thing called time that is a fourth dimensional concept which is always moving. Unlike our movement, we can travel forward and backward and upward and downward in this space. We clearly do not understand how time behaves. Time is a dimension, all right, but we seriously haven't understood how time moves. We measure times in seconds, in minutes, in hours, but time is totally different. This 60 seconds, 1 minute is just our convenience of measuring an event, but what time actually is and how it moves in space is totally very different. If time is a dimension, we have seen moving only in the forward direction, but time can also move in the backward direction. Theoretically, it is possible, but how do you achieve it practically is a question. Any measurable quantity, according to me, can go forward and backward, and time is also the same. Even if you're not moving, the quantity of time keeps changing. Even if you sit in a corner of a room, you start aging without doing anything. This time is really unstoppable. But is there any way to stop this time? Is there any way to go backward and forward in this time, like we normally, walking around going forward and backward? Is it possible with this time dimension? Einstein says that when you travel at the speed of light, time slows down. That means there is something out there that is happening in space where time is becoming a variable quantity. It is not the same everywhere. It keeps changing from one space to another point in space. Till now, we do not have that perfect equation which describes time and how it changes. Some believe that time is just a measurable quantity, and some believe that time is a phenomena which reveals in the universe at a certain intervals. As of now, till today, understanding time is a real big mystery with whatever knowledge we have. I think from a logical way of looking at time, we have to enhance our way of looking. Physics just deals with equation, but for me, till now, I think we have to go beyond that. Maybe look into the spiritual aspect of, what is time, what is gravity, and we might picture out new ways of finding what they really are. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and see you in my next vlog.